called cognitive flexibility. We're specifically interested in a group of neurons, like a cholinergic interneuron in this circuit may contribute to cognitive flexibility. For the next 5 years, we want to understand how this circuit altered several diseases, like Alzheimer's disease, means like a dementia, or when people are getting age, their cognitive flexibility is reduced, and also like some other substance use disorder, like cocaine, alcohol, or fentanyl-induced disorders. All these disease, substance use disorder, and Alzheimer's disease show some cognitive inflexibility. So we want to understand the cellular mechanism. Hopefully, we can find some therapeutics for this disease. I would say collaboratively. Usually, I will give a big picture what we are studying, like what we said, like substance use disorder and Alzheimer's disease. But under this umbrella, there's a lot of the students can pick up. Graduate students, when she first joined our lab, she wanted to study some anxiety for personal reason, but we do not have anxiety-related research in the lab. So, but I realized that in the bigger picture, like alcohol use disorder, during the alcohol withdrawal, they will generate anxiety. I said, yes, let's do that. So consequently, we generated a new project for her. We bought new transgenic animals, adapted some existing method. Together, we developed a good project for her together. And actually, she already graduated last year, and her research has been published in, I think it's good journal, it's called eLife. So this is a good model. They are very active and have a lot of ideas. So I will work together with them to gradually see what is their research interest. Work together with them to search the literature, bigger picture. At the very beginning, we would usually suggest 3 or even 3 to 4, no more than 5 projects they are interested in. Train them for the technology they need to answer the specific question. And then they will start to work. When they stay in the lab longer, we will gradually specify 1 or 2. So because at the very beginning, you don't know which one you're going to be more successful, right? Or depends on a lot of things. So the first year, I expect students, they can read a lot of literature, think about what approach they will need to do, and also communicate with me so we can gradually develop. But I do not expect them to know everything. I just hope to say they have a motivation or enthusiasm about the possible project. First of all, we do not require students to at a specific time, like you have to come at 8:30 or 9. Actually, you can see my lab people, yes, 10 a.m. they just come to the lab, but they usually leave slightly later. Depends on the project. Most is project driven instead of time. But I would like to say, if they have a challenge for their project, they maybe need to be spend a little bit more time, but overall it's flexible. It's project driven instead of the time. Ask them to come at a specific time.